Podolínec is a town in the Stará Ľubovňa District of the Prešov Region in northern Slovakia. History. Originally Podolínec belonged to Poland and was part of the Zemosadica land. The first written record of Podolínec dates from 1235 and is included in the Kraków bishop complaint to the Pope regarding the Hungarian clergy illegally collecting taxes from the local church which belonged to the Diocese of Kraków. In 1244 Bolesław the Chaste, the Dukes of Sandomierz Kraków land granted a location permit to a knight from Kraków, called Henryk. In 1292 the place was given the city rights. Later in the second half of the 14th century, the town passed in the reign of Hungary. In April 1412, King Sigismund of Luxembourg promoted Podolínec to the status of a free royal town, but later that year it was granted back to Poland as a result of the Treaty of Lubola, and it remained Polish until 1772. There was a Piarists' Collegium, founded by the Starosta of Spiš, Stanislaw Lubomirski. The most famous ward of the Collegium was Stanislaw Konarski, who joined the Piarist order in 1715. Podolínec was at the time a walled town with its own castle. It was the only town in the Spiš region to resist the Hussite raids. Following the first partition of Poland in 1772, the grant was cancelled in 1773 and the town was reincorporated into the Kingdom of Hungary 3 years later. It was part of the province of 16 Spiš towns in the 18th and 19th centuries, but its privileges were gradually reduced and in the end it was incorporated into Spiš County. The Industrial Revolution bypassed Podolínec and the railway came to the town only in 1893, when some small industrial production developed. After the Treaty of Trianon in 1920, Podolínec became part of Czechoslovakia. Geography. The town lies near the Poprad River, in the Spiš region, near the Spišská range. It is located approximately 15 kilometers from Stará Ľubovňa and 35 kilometers from Poprad. Demographics. According to the 2001 census, the town had 3,173 inhabitants. 94.71% of inhabitants were Slovaks, 4.00% Roma and 0.25% Czechs. The religious makeup was 90.89% Roman Catholics, 2.84% Greek Catholics, 2.24% Lutherans and 2.14% people with no religious affiliation. Partner towns. Prešov, Poland.